Delhi has reported 23 active cases of COVID 19 as of May 22nd, confirmed Health Minister Dr. Pankaj Singh on Friday. According to the minister, all patients are currently stable. 2 to 3 individuals have been admitted to private hospitals, while the rest are under home monitoring. He said authorities are still determining whether these patients are Delhi residents or visitors from outside the city. There is no need to panic, Dr. Singh assured, emphasizing that the circulating strain is similar to seasonal influenza. The health minister also said hospitals are fully prepared should the situation escalate. Senior officials are conducting daily visits to health facilities, and hospitals have been stocked with essential supplies, including oxygen and oximeters. He added that the government has been coordinating closely with medical superintendents and an official advisory is expected to be issued soon. The rise in cases in Delhi and other Indian states follows an uptick reported in several Asian countries. This surge is largely attributed to sublineages of the Omicron variant, particularly LF7 and NB18, which descend from the JN1 variant, also known as the Pirola strain. Experts say these new subvariants are more transmissible and may evade existing immunity, but so far they show no significant deviation from previous Omicron symptoms. Dr. Jatin Ahuja, an infectious disease specialist at Indraprasth Apollo hospitals in Delhi, said the symptoms are still mild, mostly resembling flu like illness. India has witnessed fresh COVID cases recently, especially in Kerala, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Tamil Nadu, but the trend remains the same mild symptoms and no rise in mortality or severe illness. Dr. Romil Tiku, Director of Internal Medicine at Max Hospital Saket, echoed these sentiments. He stressed that the current strain isn't causing pneumonia or large scale hospitalizations. This is behaving more like seasonal flu. There's really no need to worry. Only patients with comorbidities or compromised immunity should stay extra cautious, he said. Common symptoms include sore throat, cough, fever, and in some cases, nausea or conjunctivitis, all similar to earlier COVID waves. Testing is not being widely recommended at this stage as most patients are not exhibiting severe symptoms. Meanwhile, neighboring cities are also seeing a few cases. In Gurgaon, 2 COVID cases have been reported a 62-year-old man and a 31-year-old woman who recently traveled from Mumbai. Both are experiencing very mild symptoms and are in home isolation. Dr. Alka Singh, the district's chief medical officer, clarified that there is no immediate cause for concern. She called the virus endemic and said that many symptomatic individuals may test positive but won't require hospitalization. In Faridabad, a 28-year-old security guard tested positive at Delhi's Safdarjung Hospital, where he had sought treatment for mild symptoms. As Delhi and nearby regions report these isolated cases, health authorities continue to monitor the situation closely. For now, the message from both doctors and officials remains clear stay informed, not alarmed.